Water has no color. Water has no shape. Water gives us life. Water is a treasure. We learn so much about water in our water unit. And here's my water journal. We made this water journal to keep a record of everything we learn so that we can refer to it anytime we like. So, she is Droppy, a little water droplet. And we also learned about 3 states of water. These 3 states of water are solid, liquid and gas. When we put water on top of gas, it becomes steam, which is evaporation. And when we put water in the freezer, it becomes ice, which is solid. When big sun rays comes into the water, it becomes steam, which is gas, and you can also call it evaporation. The gas goes up and cools down. It becomes cooled vapor and forms into a cloud in the sky. But then when the clouds have got too much rain in them and they can't hold, the rain needs to come down. So then it rains, which is precipitation, and that's why we call it a water cycle. Evaporation, condensation, precipitation. Evaporation, condensation, precipitation. So it keeps on going round and round and round and round and round and round like a cycle. I saw a movie which was called A Plastic Ocean, and that movie had got so much of plastic in the ocean. And over here I've drawn that we should not throw garbage into our oceans, and we can save water by putting water, the left out water, in the plants. And we should try to take a bucket bath and not a tub bath or a shower bath. But I enjoyed taking a shower bath, so I did a little experiment at home. Watch my action. This is my hourglass. It is a 2-minute timer, and it takes 2 minutes for half a bucket to get filled from the shower I use. And it takes 4 minutes for the full bucket to get filled. But I finished my bath in 3 minutes, so I saved water. See, we can save water in so many ways. Let's all become water saviors and save water. Thank you.